what is the second question of exercise 3.2? The question is 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. So we don't know the cost of each pencil and each pen. So we assume that cost of each pencil is x and cost of each pen is y. So what will be the cost of 5 pencil? It will be 5 into x, that is 5x. Okay, and what will be the cost of 7 pen? It will be 7 into y, that is 7y. Okay, so according to the first condition, the total cost of 5 pencil and 7 pens together is rupees 50. So 5x and 7y is equal to 50 according to the first condition. So this is equation number 1. And according to the next condition, cost of 7 pencil and 5 pens together is rupees 46. So what will be the cost of 7 pencil? If each pencil costs rupees x, the cost of 7 pencil will be 7x and cost of 5 pens will be 5y, as cost of each pen is y. So according to the condition, total cost will be 46. So 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. So we will try to find out the value of y in terms of x from each equation. So in the first equation, it is 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. So 7y will be 50 minus 5x. We just move this 5x in the right hand side and get the value of y by dividing this by 7. Okay, so y will be 50 minus 5x by 7. And from equation number 2, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Okay, so 5y will be 46 minus 7x and y will be 46 minus 7x by 5. In equation number 2, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. We have to find out the value of y in terms of x. So y is equal to 50 minus 5x divided by 7. After this, we will draw two separate tables for two separate equations. For the first equation, I have made this table and try to get different values of y by putting different values in place of x. So first we put x, the value of x as 3, so the value of y will be 5. And after putting the value of x as 10, so 50 minus 5 into 10, that is 50. So 50 minus 50 by 7, it means that 0 by 7 is 0. So after putting the value of x as 10, we will get the value of y as 0. Next, we will calculate different values of x and y from the second equation. So put the value of x as 3, then we will get the value of y as 5. And next put the value of x as 8 and get the value of y as minus 2. The graph. Let us draw the graph plotting this 3, 5, 10, 0 for the first equation. So these two coordinates we got from the first equation, and 3, 5, 8 minus 2, these two equation we got from the second equation. Okay, so plot this 3, 5, 10, 0. Here this is suppose x-axis, this is y-axis. Here 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way the points will be plotted in x-axis, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way the points will be plotted in the y-axis. So what will be the exact location of 3, 5? In x-axis it is 3, so 1, 2, 3, and it is 5 in y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In x-axis it is 10, in y-axis it is 0. So the point will be 10, 0 in this position. So we join these two lines and we get a straight line. Next we will get the points 3, 5 and 8 minus 2. Okay, so 3, 5 will be in x-axis it is 3, 1, 2, 3, and in y-axis it is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 5 will be plotted in this position. And where is the coordinate 8 minus 2 located? In x-axis it is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in y-axis it is minus 2. As it is minus 2, it will move downward. In upward, the values of y will be positive, like 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way, but in downwards the value of y will be negative, like minus 1, minus 2. So what will be the position of minus 2? That is minus 1, next is minus 2. So 8 minus 2 will be plotted in this position, and we will join these 2 points. Okay, we will get a straight line. These 2 straight line will meet a point of intersection. Okay, these 2 lines will intersect each other, and the point of intersection is 3, 5. So in x-axis it is 1, 2, 3, and in y-axis it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 5 will be the point of intersection. From the graphical representation, we have got that the value of x is 3 and value of y is 5. So what is this x? X means the cost of each pencil. So we can conclude that cost of each pencil is rupees 3. And what is this y? Y means value of cost of each pen. Okay, so the cost of each pen will be rupees 5. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and in my next video we will discuss the question number 3 of this exercise 3.2. Presently we are doing exercise 3.2 of linear equation. If you want, you can go to my playlist. You can find all the videos that I have made till the date on the particular topic. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.